So guys, Rich Product here. In this video we are going to talk about how you can earn money by chatting with the strangers. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but still, watch this video till the end and I will explain you everything. So without further words, let's jump into it. So guys, the first site that I wanted to share with you to make money while chatting with the strangers called site stuff chat. So how it works? If you have some unique experience about something in your life, you can share it with people who need to advise. For example, if you broke something and if you replace something and you know how to do it, if somebody wants to know how to do it, you can chat with them and help them. If somebody don't know how to turn on new TV, how to do something near their homes, you can just or if you know like Photoshop, you can people want to know how to create a epic picture, you can just help them via chatting, and in this side you can make a really good amount of the money. So I think this site will be for some of you useful. So the second site I wanted to talk with you called Apple Advisor. If you own an iPhone, and I think it probably is because it's useful and it's reliable and all other stuff. So as you can hear from my speech, I am also iPhone user, and if you know some tricks, if you know how to fix your iPhone, if you know some other stuff about that company, it shouldn't be just iPhone, it could be AirPods, it could be TV, a laptop, or other stuff. You can become a Apple advisor and or Apple Watch. If you know how to fix or how to set up, you can help other people with their problems about their. So you can become one of the guy from support, you probably did it. If you broke something or if you have problem with something, you call to the support of the company, and that the guy will explain you everything. So you can become one of this guy who helping people with their problems via support chat, and you can chatting with other people and make good money. So guys, and the last site that we will be talking today about called Home Advisor. So Home Advisor is much more wide type of the things that you can do. You can help someone with washing machine, help someone with kitchen, like every stuff that can breaks or have some problems at home, you can help them. And what you need, if people have some questions, they can just write to chat to you, and you can take your phone and answer people. And I think this is the great opportunity because you can make good things for other people, and by the way, you can be paid for it. Yes, this is the amazing things. So guys, I hope that this site was really useful for you. Maybe some of you become the Apple advisor, which I was for the last couple of the months, and maybe some of you will prefer Home Advisor because it's much more like a chat with the real people, not like a support. It's your choice. But still, I think this type of the jobs are really useful because they are helping people and you are get paid for it. So be helpful, and hope that this information was useful for you. Hope that some of you will earn money on it. So guys, hope that you like this video. Please write me in a comment what you want me to talk with you in the next videos, and as always, earn and spend money online.